Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're delving into a topic that's nothing short of essential for your financial well-being: emergency savings. Imagine this: life throws you an unexpected financial curveball, a sudden medical expense, a job loss, or a major home repair. What's your game plan? That's where having an emergency fund steps in. In this video, we're not just going to scratch the surface, we'll explore why having an emergency fund is paramount and how it can be your financial lifeline. Plus, we're drawing wisdom from the timeless book, The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into this crucial aspect of financial security. Let's face it, life has a way of throwing curveballs. Unexpected events like medical emergencies, car breakdowns, or sudden job losses can jolt your financial stability. It's in these moments that emergency savings shine as your financial guardian angels. They're the safety net beneath your tightrope walk, the cushion for your fall, the security blanket when life catches you off guard. Imagine having that peace of mind, knowing that you're financially prepared to tackle life's unexpected surprises. Emergencies don't send an RSVP, they show up uninvited and unannounced. Your emergency savings are your shield against the unexpected, allowing you to navigate through life's twists and turns without being blindsided. Whether it's a leaking roof, an unexpected medical bill, or even a global crisis, your emergency fund is your financial fortress, a stronghold that ensures you're ready to face anything. An emergency fund isn't just another savings account, it's your financial superhero. Picture it as your personal financial parachute, ready to soften the landing when life drops a surprise on your doorstep. While regular savings might be earmarked for vacations or shopping sprees, your emergency fund is off limits unless a genuine emergency occurs. Think of it as your financial Swiss Army knife. It's versatile and adaptable, there for you when you need it the most. It's not just about numbers, it's about the peace of mind that you're prepared. When you have an emergency fund, you're not just managing money, you're managing uncertainty, gaining the confidence that comes from knowing you're financially resilient. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of building your financial safety net. Building an emergency fund is like tending to a money garden. You plant the seeds, nurture them, and watch them grow. Start by setting a clear goal. How much do you need in your emergency fund? Take a magnifying glass to your monthly expenses: rent, groceries, bills, and essentials. Multiply that by the number of months you aim to save for. Create a dedicated line in your budget for your emergency fund. Treat it as non-negotiable, just like paying your rent. Consistency is your ally. Even if you can only contribute a small amount, it accumulates over time into a powerful safety net. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Communities of financial warriors have built their emergency funds step by step, and you can too. Let's talk numbers. How much should you aim to stash in your emergency fund? The answer isn't a one-size-fits-all. It hinges on your circumstances. Your monthly expenses, job stability, and personal comfort levels all play a role. If you have dependents or a fluctuating income, you might lean towards a larger fund. Your goal is financial security, and that's determined by what provides you with peace of mind. Life isn't static. It evolves, and so do your financial needs. A new job, a growing family, or a change in living arrangements can impact your expenses. That's why it's important to review and adjust your emergency fund as life's chapters unfold. Emergencies come in different costumes. Sometimes it's a sudden medical bill, other times a broken water heater or an unexpected layoff. Here's the beauty of an emergency fund: it's versatile. It adapts to whatever challenge life throws your way. It's your financial Swiss Army knife, equipped to handle a variety of financial surprises. Having an emergency fund means you won't have to resort to credit cards or loans when life takes an unexpected turn. This isn't about pessimism, it's about empowerment. It's about knowing that you're resilient, that you have a financial cushion when the universe decides to throw a curveball. Your emergency fund isn't just a line in your budget, it's your financial resilience personified. Let's imagine a scenario: your car needs an urgent repair, and you don't have an emergency fund. Your options: swiping your credit card, taking out a loan, or asking friends for a bailout. However, these quick fixes can quickly snowball into debt, piling stress on top of the initial problem. This is where your emergency fund plays the hero. When you have an emergency fund, you're in control. You're not at the mercy of high interest rates or loan terms. You're empowered, handling unforeseen expenses without worrying about sinking into financial quicksand. It's like having a financial shield, guarding you against the stress that accompanies financial uncertainty. You might be thinking, sounds great, but where do I begin? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the journey to financial security begins with a single dollar. Start small, but start today. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Make it a non-negotiable habit to contribute regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Remember, consistency is your secret weapon. As you nurture your emergency fund, watch it grow, not just in numbers but in the peace of mind it provides. It's not about predicting the unpredictable, it's about being ready for it. And as you continue on this journey, remember the timeless wisdom from the richest man in Babylon: start thy purse to fattening. There you have it, the essence of emergency savings. It's more than just money, it's about control, empowerment, and peace of mind. Remember, life's surprises are inevitable, but the stress they bring doesn't have to be. Build your emergency fund, $1 at a time, and be prepared for whatever life throws your way. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: the content shared here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always consult with qualified professionals before making any financial decisions.